The black woodpecker, scientifically known as, is a large and striking bird native to the forests of Eurasia. Its unique features and behavior make it one of the most fascinating woodpecker species. Here's a detailed look at its characteristics, habitat, and lifestyle. Key facts about the black woodpecker first. Let's talk about its appearance. The black woodpecker is the largest woodpecker species in Europe. It has an all-black plumage with a prominent red crown. Males have a fully red crown, while females have red only at the back of the head. Moving on to size and weight. This bird measures between 45 to 55 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 64 to 68 centimeters. It weighs between 250 to 400 grams. Now about its call. The black woodpecker is known for its loud and resonant drumming on trees, which can carry over long distances. Its vocalizations include loud, echoing calls, often used for communication or territorial purposes. Finally, its distribution. The black woodpecker is found across the Palearctic region, from Western Europe to East Asia. This includes areas like Scandinavia, Russia, and parts of China and Japan. Habitat. The black woodpecker thrives in mature forests with large old trees. They are particularly fond of coniferous forests, but can also be found in deciduous and mixed woodlands. These birds require forests with dead or decaying trees, which are easier to excavate for nesting and finding food. As for nesting sites, they excavate large oval-shaped cavities in tree trunks for nesting, which can take weeks to complete. These cavities are often reused by other species such as owls, bats, and other birds. Regarding their geographical range, black woodpeckers are commonly found in remote forested areas, avoiding heavily urbanized regions. They can adapt to managed forests if old trees are preserved. Lifestyle and behavior. The diet of the black woodpecker is primarily insectivorous, feeding on wood-boring insects like beetle larvae and ants. It uses its strong beak to chisel into trees and extract insects with its long, sticky tongue. Occasionally, it eats berries and seeds, especially in winter when insects are scarce. When it comes to territoriality, black woodpeckers are highly territorial and use drumming and vocalizations to establish dominance. Their territories can cover several kilometers of forest. During the breeding season, which runs from late winter to early summer depending on the region, both sexes participate in excavating the nesting cavity. The clutch size is typically 3 to 5 eggs, incubated for about 12 to 14 days. Both parents care for the chicks, which fledge after 25 to 30 days. In terms of social behavior, black woodpeckers are solitary outside of the breeding season, although pairs may maintain territories together. They are known for their shy and elusive nature, often detected by their call rather than sight. Lastly, their lifespan. Wild black woodpeckers live around 7 to 10 years, with some reaching over a decade. Black woodpeckers play a crucial role in forest ecosystems. By consuming wood-boring insects, they help control pest populations, which is, really important for maintaining forest health. Their presence often indicates a healthy and biodiverse forest ecosystem. Furthermore, the cavities they create serve as critical nesting sites for other species, enhancing biodiversity. Let's talk about some of the unique adaptations of the black woodpecker. Physically, they have a strong beak designed to withstand repeated impacts without damage. Their shock-absorbing skull protects their brain during drumming and chiseling. They also have zygodactyl feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, giving them a firm grip on tree trunks. Their stiff tail feathers provide support while climbing and hammering. Behaviorally, black woodpeckers use drumming and vocalizations to communicate and defend their territory. They also engage in solitary foraging, which minimizes competition for food. The black woodpecker is classified as least concern by the IUCN. However, local populations can be affected by habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization. Conservation efforts focus on preserving mature forests and deadwood habitats essential for their survival. The black woodpecker is not only a fascinating species but also a vital component of forest ecosystems, playing a pivotal role in maintaining ecological balance.